Hey fifth graders, how you doing? It's Monday, no school today though. Hopefully you're enjoying your long weekend. I know I am. Pretty exhausted after that Vikings win yesterday. Woo! Anyways, I'm doing this recording here. You're obviously watching it. We're going to be doing more of these throughout the year. This is kind of my goal, is to incorporate more use of the Google Classroom into our class and post a lot of videos as well. These videos are going to be something that you could use to help you. So if you're at home, you're having trouble with homework, if there's a video that relates to it, you can hopefully hop on to the Google Classroom, just like how you do in school, and watch the little video. We'll talk about what it is, go through some examples. Also, in school, you could always go get a computer and pop on, watch the video if you're having trouble, or if you're ever absent. That's going to be a really helpful thing. If you're absent, and we move on to new things almost each day or every couple of days, so missing a day really can set you behind. But this could be a place where you can go, watch the video from what you missed, and then you'll have a little more knowledge of what we're doing. And if you have any questions, then you can ask those questions afterwards. And it kind of helps so I don't have to necessarily reteach it again and again and again. It's a place for you to go and watch it being retaught. And that way my time I could use to help a lot of more of you, instead of having to constantly maybe go back and redoing things over and over. It'll be in this place saved. Also, this isn't going to mean that we're going to be done with our gold sheets. Make sure you're using these and keeping these. Right? Mr. Larson just doesn't like going to the printer. That's not why I do these. I do these to help you. You should be taking these home if you need to. And you know that. Each day we go through examples as a class. I have you do examples on your own, and then we talk about them together. And then we work on the same stuff independently, or maybe with partners or small groups, depends. But that same skill is getting practice over and over. If you're not getting it, or if you're not 100% comfortable with it, which happens, it varies, depends on what it is, but then you need to make sure you own that and you say, all right, what do I need to bring with me so I can be successful? Well, starts with the gold sheets, right? I print them off for almost every different topic we have. So make sure you're bringing those home. Also, any independent work. Yeah, I know we don't necessarily collect it all the time, but we always go over it in class. So bring that home. Those are examples that you could use to help you. Right? My next video is going to be on the next topic that we're going to be getting to, which is adding mixed numbers. Got it a little raised right there. But adding mixed numbers. So mixed numbers we know have whole numbers, like you can see, 1/5 or 1 and 1/5. 1 is the whole number, and then the fraction is 1/5. So we've done a lot with fractions and mixed numbers and improper fractions. We've just spent all of last week adding and subtracting just fractions. Now we're going to spend this week adding and subtracting with mixed numbers. And you're going to find a lot of the things are the same as when we just did fractions. And there's going to be obviously some other little steps because we're adding a couple new pieces here with the mixed numbers. But our next videos are going to be on adding mixed numbers and subtracting mixed numbers. So I challenge you in class, at home, if you are feeling stuck, you're not confident, you have your gold sheet with you, and it's still not quite doing the trick for you, instead of sitting there hoping that someone comes around and helps you if you're not raising your hand, or that it's going to fall out of the sky and smack you in the head and you're all of a sudden going to know it, probably not going to happen. I challenge you to go grab a computer, get online, and watch these videos. Okay? It's for you, right? It's not for me, it's for you. So use them. Okay? It's another tool for you to use.